If the gas bottle volume appears very low, the needle is in the red area on the gas regulator, the gas bottle needs to be replaced. Close the CO2 gas bottle by turning the tap following the arrows to the close position. Remove the gas bottle safety chain and position the CO2 bottle on the floor in front of the base cabinet. Use the spanner provided to release the nut from the CO2 gas bottle. Remove the empty gas bottle from the location. Position the new CO2 gas bottle in front of the base cabinet and remove the gas bottle seal. The gas bottle now needs to be vented. Connect the gas regulator hose to the gas bottle. Ensure the connection is tightened using the spanner provided. Open the gas bottle tap following the arrow to the open position. Now position the gas bottle into the base cabinet and secure using the safety strap. Check the needle is above the red area on the gas regulator gauge. Function test the system by dispensing sparkling water from the sparkling tap.